strong storm.
Alright.
I can see that cloud over there. It was moving.
Waiting for it.
Checking for any snakes here.
Getting some wind. There's tornado water. Out there. Well, I'll be doing some editing in this picture because this is pretty boring.
Yeah, I'll film some. Wow, I got that on film.
Got us a bright strike right there. Alright guys, it's starting to rain, so I'll try to get what I can from the house for you.
Here's the storm going over it, guys. Right in this area. So it's doing pretty good.
These storms, guys, just updated. They are moving at 65 miles an hour. They say it's over no water right now. That's across my pasture. You should be able to see a tower. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's a red towers over here. Those are close. About 6 miles. Y'all can see the bank on this cloud. I don't know if my video will show it. guys, the creek didn't come up as much as I was expecting it to, so looks like no catfish. And there's a log in the middle of the road. It'd be difficult to drive by. It's up a little. It's usually not this full, but
It's true.
usually expect it to be up a lot more than this to be able to fish it. You need it at least off the concrete pad there. But I don't know, guys. We may come back and try it tomorrow if I get some stuff done and get enough time. The water's seeping down the hill here, you can see into it, so it gets a lot of fresh water running into it all the time. So just stay tuned, guys, and maybe we can get you some fish.